Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm so excited for today's video because I'll be cutting my own hair in today's video. Yeah, you saw the thumbnail. So yeah, it's going to be so fun. And without talking so much, let's roll the intro. So you know those moments, guys, when you really wanna cut your hair short, and I really want to cut my hair short, but you know my hair has this natural ombre effect. I don't want this effect to be completely gone as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the front section long. It's gonna be really crazy. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I really want to cut it myself, because in case it doesn't turn out as good as I expected it to be, you'll have the satisfaction like I didn't pay for it. So yeah, let's begin cutting our hair. So I'll be following Brad Mondo's tips because I don't trust no one else in this matter. The first step is sectioning our hair. Let's divide our hair in the front section and a back section. Guys, if you're hearing noises, it's the fan. It's so hot in here. I'm sorry I could not turn the fan off. I'll die if I do so. So these two sections are probably gonna stay long. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Let's just try our best. And now I'm gonna divide this whole part onto 2 to 3 sections, and I'm gonna chop it off. And guys, yeah, I did straighten my hair, okay, but my head is literally sweating, so I don't think it's been dropped straight anymore. But yeah, whatever. Let's just make sure there are no lumps. So this is the first section. Let's make sure there are no lumps left in it, and then I'm gonna tie it a little bit longer from where I'm going to cut it. Okay, so I really want it to be like this length, so I'm gonna keep it a little bit longer. Let's tie here. Now let's leave it and let's tie the other two as well. So guys, I've got 3 sections done. One is in the back. I made sure there are no lumps in it. And now the fun part, we are gonna chop these off. I'm so excited. Now let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna be using these scissors. I know these are not hairdressing scissors, okay, but that's all I got. It's brand new, so I guess it will work. Let's start. So I'm gonna tie one more just here, and we're gonna cut in this middle part. So yeah, let's begin. I think I should take help from someone. Oh no, it's cutting. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the edges. Okay, this is not the final cut. We'll work with this. Only one left in the back. I don't think I can show you guys that. I'll be back after cutting that. So guys, it's done. I have these 3 sections with me now. I'm keeping these for the rest of my life. I'm just kidding, I'm not. In fact, I hate girls who say it like that. I hate you if you, after cutting your hair, lament over it. Like, girl, hair grows back. They literally be like, oh my god, I cut it, but now I want my long hair back. What? You don't want your long hair back, you want attention. Now, let's open these. Oh my god, the back is short. We are doing an asymmetrical bow on the back. That's it. Now let's open these as well. Look at this, guys. First, we're gonna do this half of our head. We're gonna turn this into an asymmetrical blunt bob or whatever. Okay guys, let's deal with the front parts first. Like, I'm trying to give that asymmetrical cut right here. I'm really trying. I'm struggling to do that, but I guess we'll cut the fronts first. This didn't turn out that good, not that bad. I guess when we'll wash our hair, it will come back to its natural texture and will look good. I really hope so. Because this sharp ends, like, oh my god, I don't know what to do with them. But yeah, no regrets. Let's just keep doing. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wash my hair. I really don't know why these sharp edges are like sticking out. So I'm going to wash my hair and I'll cut it a little bit more inside the bathroom. And I'll show you guys the end result. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Whatever, no regrets in life. So yeah. So guys, I'm back and look at this. Do I like it? I absolutely freaking love it. Like, this is looking so beautiful. Like, look at this part right here. I love this. Like, I think it's so cute. But one thing that I don't like is, like, I cut this in the flow of the moment, but I'm not liking this on my face. So I guess I'll tuck it in. This is so cute. So what I did, how I got rid of those sharp edges. So what I did was I washed my hair and then I got my sister to cut those really sharp edges and make them like smooth. So yeah, my sister helped to cut the back portion of my hair. After that, I blow dried it and yeah, this is how it turned out. You guys may disagree, but I myself am loving this style. I'm not even kidding, I love this. I am going to stay like this for a long time. I love this. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, how can we not enjoy? I freaking cut my hair down. I freaking chopped it off. Come on, I deserve a like at least in this video. And if you're new to my channel, late introduction, but hey, I'm Sahi. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel so you get all the future notifications and press that bell icon as well. Tell me in the comment box how you guys feel about this new haircut. Your opinions matter, okay? So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comment box. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Everything we